Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready for Christmas dinner today and I wanted to do a hair tutorial. So if you like this hair look and you want to see how I achieve it, please keep on watching. I'm starting off washing my hair with the Joico K-Pack Color Theory. I found these bottles at Marshall's. I'll be using an apple cider vinegar mixture and using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Hair Mask. I'll also be using the Kiss Detangling Hair Brush. I start by rinsing my hair in warm water to loosen up the dirt and oil that's in it. Next, I use the apple cider vinegar rinse to cleanse my scalp. I rinse out my hair and go on with the second wash, focusing on the middle of my scalp. I start to detangle my hair with the Kiss Detangling brush. After rinsing out the conditioner, I apply the hair mask. I sit under the dryer so the heat can help penetrate the hair mask into my scalp and hair shaft. Now I'm doing the final rinse on my hair, and then I'm using a cotton t-shirt to dry it. I'm going in with the Talia Wajid detangler for kids. Next, I'm applying raw batana oil to my edges, and this is the rough one that you have to melt in your hands. Using a Tresemme heat protectant to keep my hair protected. I'm applying the Razak finishing cream to my scalp, so when I blow dry it, it doesn't dry my scalp out. I'm pulling on my hair while applying heat to help straighten the roots. I'll be applying the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant since I'll be going in with a flat iron on my hair and a hot comb. Now I'm taking it back and going old school with this hot comb to get these edges in order. I'm checking the temperature of the hot comb on a paper towel. If it leaves a trace, it's too hot and it can burn my hair off. So I'm just checking the temperature and waiting for it to cool down. And then I did a temperature check on my hair before I went in with my edges because I did not want to burn them off. It's been a few years since I used a hot comb, so yes, I was a bit nervous using it, but I had to remember how my mother taught me how to use it. I'm breaking my hair down in 4 sections. This makes it easier for me to deal with when straightening it. Now I'm just speeding up the clips of how I straighten my hair. I parted each section, went over the roots 2 to 3 times in the comb chase method, and probably went over this section 2 times just to make sure it was straight. I'm using the Babyliss Pro Titanium to straighten my hair. I got it at Ulta. Realistically, it takes me about an hour to straighten my hair, but if I'm tired, it can go anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours. Now the back of my head is done. This is what it looks like so far. Now I have 3 sections down, 1 more to go. I'm finally done straightening my hair now. To help out with my flyaways, I'm going to apply some styling wax to the top of my head and go over that with a hot comb just to melt it in. I'm going to use my beach waver, Model B1, to curl my hair. After curling my hair, I'm wrapping it around my finger to create tighter pin curls, and I'm pinning it to my head. This is what it's looking like all pinned up now. I did create a makeup tutorial on this Christmas look. If you do want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and watch that video. And in the meantime, I'll be taking down my hair. Because I didn't use holding spray, I wanted the curls to be tighter because they're just going to fall in the next couple of days. And I'm going to restyle my hair differently. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. Thanks.